Hi. What if that was just my intro every video? Hi. Hello. Really gotta figure this out at some point. Anyway, who else is ready for another month and a half of quarantine? At minimum. Probably more like a year. I might actually lose my mind. I've resorted to wearing clothes that I never wear, or never got the chance to wear yet, like this dress. Yeah, I'm wearing a dress. I don't normally do that, but fear not, for I'm still wearing sweatpants underneath. Fashion icon. I'm sorry, I don't know you. I'm a model. Fashion. If you're just stumbling across my channel, you're first of all probably a little confused. Welcome to my descent into madness. This is how I document it. So today I was kind of missing my old life, back when I had no time to do anything because I was working like 4 different jobs and I was never home, and I was only really wearing makeup when I had extra time, which was pretty much never. I was in a show or I put it on in about 10 minutes. And well, I was wondering how well I could do a full face of makeup in exactly 10 minutes. I've also been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and Tati did this recently, and I was like, I could do that. I have everything set out and ready on the desk in front of me. We are all set to go. Got all my brushes, everything is prepared. I had a snack. We're ready. I'm just gonna put a timer on and go for it. But let me get my hair back first. I don't want to be spending 5 of the 10 minutes trying to get my hair up, so that is a pre-step. We're getting a timer ready. My phone's on Do Not Disturb, so I don't get any Tinder notifications messing this up. Deep breath, some water. Here we go. Alright, we're not doing any primer because that's gonna waste time. Concealer, concealer. Like this whole thing is just gonna really stress me out. I'm so broken out right now. I just need to cover everything with concealer. I normally would blend this and then do a second concealer, but you know, we're just putting it down and we're gonna blend everything all at once. It's fine, right? It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, wonderful. Wrong one. Good thing is this blends real fast. Should I include a 30-second blendiful review in this video? She works good. That's all you're getting. Yeah, 8.5 minutes. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh, blend, you little... Ugh. Foundation. Oh, I was gonna put this on the thing before and I didn't. Got Barnes brush. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? I don't think this is gonna be possible. Seven minutes and 30 seconds. Ugh. How now? Brown cow. What is happening? I don't have time to blend this well. I just have to get it on my face. And oh my arms are so tired. I worked out this morning and it was arms and oh Jesus Christ, I need more here. Oh my god, 6 minutes and 48 seconds. How in the hell am I gonna do this? I'm not. That's the answer. I'm not gonna do this. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna look like a piece of crap. Contour. Oh my god, my arms are so tired. Oh, that looks like shit. Boop. What are we at? Oh, it turned off. It turned off. It turned off. My phone turned off. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Blend, 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 blend. I'm like smacking myself in the face so hard. I don't like the way it looks. Blush. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. A lot of blush, a lot of blush. Just cover up everything with blush. It'll be fine. I never blended my nose. We're not closing anything up. It's fine. It'll all be okay. Oh, my under eyes look bad. Why did it look so bad? I need more. Okay, 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 okay. What's next? Powder. Powder, 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 powder. Oh, yikes. Oh, yikety dikes. Dikes. Okay, good enough, good enough, good enough. Brows, we're just doing a brow gel. Where are we at? 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's gonna be all okay. Everything will be fine. Oh, I need to trim my brows. They're a mess. They're a mess! Just like me. What am I doing next? Oh my god, what am I doing next? Highlighter. Who needs a brush? I don't need a brush. We don't need a brush. No brush. Oh, my skin still feels sticky. We did not powder enough. It's fine. Don't forget the inner corner. Don't forget the brow bone. Or the Cupid's bow. Time, 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 3 seconds, and my hands are covered in highlighter. Eyeshadow, Tati Beauty Palette, Soothe in Satin. We're just gonna whoosh, sweep that in. Oh, that's too much. Oh, no, that's too much. Oh, I dipped too hard. Oh. Oh, please don't fail me now. Please don't fail me now. Heart, don't fail me now. highlight on the lid. That's how we're gonna save this. Save it all with highlight. Oh my god, what do I need? Mascara. Oh my god, I need mascara. Oh, I'm so slow with mascara. 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes and 3 seconds. I don't want to poke myself in the eyeball. Okay, 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 okay. That's good. Okay. A little bit of lower lash. Oh my god, I need lips. I really need lips. 1 minute and 24 seconds. I can do this. Everything's gonna be fine. That doesn't look great. But it's fine. We're gonna put lip gloss on. I have 38 seconds. Wait, setting spray. I didn't get setting spray out. Oh my god. 18 seconds. Come here. Anything else? What do I need? Am I good? And there it goes. That was so stressful. All right, I'm not mad at this. The lipstick's a little wonky, but she'll do. Nothing is as blended as I would like it to be, but I did pretty much put on everything I wanted to put on my face. So, I'll take it. I just pulled on the eyeball. Ow! I just jammed my thumbnail right onto my, brow bone. Ow. Alright, well, go ahead and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Please, I have an important question. Let me know in the comments below. Do you want to see more videos that are really straight to the point, tutorial, here's how to do this, 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 and these are the steps? Or do you like kind of a more crazy and comedic, just kind of chatting with makeup just being a part of the video? Which kind do you prefer? Please let me know in the comments below because I like making both, so I want to know what you guys want to see more. Alrighty, please subscribe if you enjoy this video and you want to see more like it or more videos from me. Ring the notification bell so you know when I post a video. As I've mentioned before, I don't know when it happens, so let's find out together. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Did anybody notice my nails? I spent way too long working on them. Please appreciate them.